Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe in your home. So, today, children, in English, we are going to learn about grammar and uses subject, verb, object, and subject, verb, complement that is given in page number 96. So, children, we all have read in grammar about the subject, verb, object. So, I think you will not face so much difficulties in understanding this, that it will work as a revision for you. So see here, read these sentences. I drove. First sentence is I drove, then second is I opened the door, then third is the night was dark. So we all know that a complete sentence has two parts. What are they? A subject and the other one is the predicate. So the highlighted words in the example sentences form the predicate. So the words which are written in red color, those are highlighted words, and we know that that is predicate. So in the first one, subject is I, predicate is drove. In the second you have I as a subject and open the door as a predicate. In the third, the night is the subject and was dark is the predicate. Okay, children? Now, in the first one, what we see? In the first, we see that the sentence, it is having a subject and only a verb. Let us see. So, in the first sentence, the predicate has only a verb. Okay. So, the first one is having only a verb and that forms the predicate in that. In the second sentence, the predicate has a verb and an object. So, here in the second, you see that I opened the door. It has the verb and the object. So, the predicate, okay, talking about the predicate. In this, open the door is a predicate and opened is the verb in that, okay, the action being done, and the door is the object. So we have read that, or we know that any action being done, that is the verb, and the receiver of the action is the object. So who is receiving the action of opening or opened? The door is receiving, so that is the object. Like I opened what? I opened the door, so that is the object. Okay. Now see, in the third sentence, the predicate has a verb and a complement. So we'll read about the complement. First, let us understand about the doer of the action, the subject and the object. So the I opened what? The door. Then here is another example. Let us say I could see the cart. So I could see what? I could see the cart. So the cart. So that is what? That is the object. Then next part, see, in the third sentence, the dark is the predicate. It does not have an object. So in the third sentence was what? The night was dark. It is having only the predicate as was dark. The night is the subject in that and was dark is the predicate, and there is no object, no receiver of the action. So it has a complement. So that was dark is known as the complement. The word dark describes the subject night and it is necessary to complete or complement the verb be. So here, now what we understand from this? The word dark describes the night, subject night. So here the dark is acting as the it is acting as the adjective. Okay, it is acting as an adjective and that is completing the sentence over there. This and this complement, the complement, they form they are written after the linking verbs and the complement of the verb be. So here complement of the verb be means what? Was has become from what? Was has become from be. We have read is, was, were, they have become from be. So some kinds of verb as to be do not take an object. So there they do not take an object and they form the complement. Let us see. Here is another example. I trembled violently. So I trembled violently. So here violently is used as what? Here violently is used as the complement. The horse was tired. Here it, it has complement in this written about the after was. Okay, after the linking word was, the children felt excited. So the children felt excited. There also the excited is what excited is a complement. It is not an object. Let us know more from this. So see, first of all, we will know that subject is what? Subject is the doer of the action, okay, or what performs the action. Verb is what? Verb expresses what the action is. And object is what? That is the receiver of the action, okay. Object receives the action. Now see, subject complement. A subject complement is a word or group of words in the predicate that identifies or describes the subject. Okay, that is telling about the subject, what it is. So describing the subject, how it is, what it is, that is a subject complement. A subject complement is connected to the subject by a linking verb. So there you may find a linking verb over there, like is, was, were. Those are linking words. Now see here. An adjective or a noun that renames or defines in some way the subject follows a linking verb which links it to its subject, that is subject complement. Like Joe is a lover of apples. So what is the subject there? The subject is Joe and subject complement is what? Subject complement is lover. Okay? Because it is written after the linking verb. A linking verb is. Then Jacob's new kite was blue. So Jacob's new kite was blue. So here subject complement is blue. Okay. Now, so reorder these sentences and write the correct sentences. Then mark the subject, verb and object in these sentences. So a music course Sunita joined. So what we have to do in this? In this we have to rearrange these sentences. So the words and then form a correct sentence over there, and after writing that we have to find out from there what is subject, what is verb and what is object. So Sunita joined a music course. So what is subject in that? Sunita is a subject. What is verb? Joined is a verb, that is action being done. And what is the object? Object is a music course, because that is the receiver of the action. Okay. Watch the match, the spectators. So what you have to do? You have to rearrange that. The spectators watch the match. Okay, the spectators watch the match. So what will be the subject in that? The subject will be the spectators, because they are the doer of the action. What is watched? Watched is a verb, and what is the object? Object is the match. So from question number 1 to 6, okay, you have to do that in your copy. So I don't think you will face problem in this. Now come to B part. Complete these sentences with the correct verbs from the box, then circle the complement in each case. Okay. Like see here. Complete these sentences. So he has become extremely weak. So he has become extremely weak in that what you have to do? You have to complete the sentence from the box. You have to take out the word and then complete the sentence. In the blank you have to write. So become is the verb in that. Okay, and what you have to do? You have to pick out from there and then circle the complement in that which is completing the sentence. The rival team dashed well. So rival team played well. So what is what is the verb in that? Played. Okay, and well is what? Well is the complement of the sentence. Their soups dash delicious. So their soups tastes delicious. So what is taste? Taste is the verb and delicious is the complement. Okay. The results will be announced today. The students dash quite nervous. So the students look quite nervous. You have to write look quite nervous. The student will be and the are quite nervous. So the results will be announced today. The students are quite nervous. So there you have to write are quite nervous. So in that, what is a verb? Are is a verb and quite nervous as a complement. So number 5 and 6. Number 5 and 6 you can do yourself. Okay. And this you will do in your book. I don't think you will face any problem. So thank you everyone.